First of all, thank you very much for speaking to us, and also congratulations for your win on the Family Man.
Thank you.
Recently. So first question for you is that you worked on all platforms.
Mm-hmm.
Like you started with theatre, you worked in TV, you worked in movies, and now to OTT. So what difference do you see in all the platforms, and how's your journey been?
I mean, primarily theatre is an actress medium,
Yeah.
and none of the other mediums that you just mentioned are dominated by the presence of an actor. All the other medium, they need a lot of collaboration and dependence on each and every department. And director being being in the forefront, because it becomes his vision, and then he hires people, then he makes them see his vision, and accordingly everyone walk towards accomplishing it. But OTT lately I have realized that it's though there is a camera, there is so much of technicality, but the writers and the actors are the people who are ruling any kind of OTT content or any kind of OTT platform.
Right.
Because these are the two things which are coming, going straight to the audience, either the writing or the performance. These are the two things which is holding them for that long. But yes, for an actor, I could understand the difference,
Because for you it's always performance.
it's always performance. I'm only being true to the script. I'm only being true to the character, or the demands which are made by.
But do you think there is a difference? Like it's always said that when you're performing on the stage, you get an instant reaction.
So see, it's not. That's something which is basic. I don't find
But
that
that's
a
what I was
difference.
coming to. That in today's digital medium, also the reactions are way too quick.
No,
I
but
mean, people watch it and they instantly,
you can't compare
have.
it. You can't compare it with the theatre, because there is a live audience sitting there,
Correct.
and your performance keeps changing with the audience. If my performance is A in the morning show, my performance is going to be completely B in the evening show, depending on the nature of the audience or energy of the audience that the actors are getting in that particular show. But you can't really compare it. But on OTT, you are getting you have a lot of space to explore the character. Even for the writers, it's quite a challenge to really format it in such a way where you are taking the audience with you for that long and winning their trust to be with you.
Yeah.
It's a very, very challenging work for the writers. But for the actors to explore, to be consistent, to know your craft from the back of your hand, that becomes very, very essential. So in a way, this is where the similarity comes. Then in theatre and in OTT, if you think that you can get away with just the charisma, that can't happen.
Correct.
You are completely naked there, with all your skills and the craft.
But do you think it's challenging in the new age time with the digital, the way it is going, that you get too many reactions from too many people when you're on social media, or when they pass out their verdict without even, probably a lot of times even seeing the whole thing or understanding the whole thing?
No, but that doesn't affect the performance of any of the actors.
Not the performance, but somewhere the comments or all those
but you
things.
see, as
so
long
they
as the
bother
job is done, like what Manoj is, you get into it,
Yeah.
either as a writer or as actors or whatever. When you get into it, it's a meditative kind of an exploration.
Correct.
You go deep into it, and in OTT you are able to go into those details, and even minute little details, and smaller characters can be explored. Different facets of a character's life can be explored, which is limited by in cinema in a 2-hour format, because you have a minimum of like 6 to 8 hours in which you are playing here, right?
Correct.
So I think that is possible. And so the reactions will come after.
Right.
You see, it's the same with
So it doesn't
with
affect
film.
your process.
It doesn't affect the
your
process. It doesn't affect the
correct.
process.
But does it affect you otherwise as a person, as an actor? Do you take that feedback? Do you read all the comments that what people are saying?
It
or-
depends on person to person. Eventually all actors are different people. I'm, you know, I have too much of a, sense of a self-respect. Sometimes it borders on arrogance.
So basically, you're saying you don't get affected by what others are saying.
I don't care.
You don't. So okay, over the period of time, what's the platform that you have enjoyed the most? I mean, I'm sure theatre would be very close.
Theatre is, hands down, it's a medium I think every actor should do. Every actor should do it minimum, for minimum.
But do you also
2
agree
years of
that
experience.
digital is the way forward and
Oh, definitely. I mean, now, with the new variant of Corona coming in, it is only making it difficult for the theatres to come back to normal. I mean, the theatres, so yesterday I was having this conversation with some, theatre, cinema owners and, people who work for cinema and distributors. They are quite worried because many of
we
the
don't
cinema
know, we're
halls
not-
closed down. Many are on the verge of closing down. Because how long they can maintain it. And we were seeing this some hope in the vaccines coming into
But
public
then there are a lot
into
many
public.
other
But
viruses
now
coming.
new variants coming in. I personally will feel very bad because the different platforms, different mediums of entertainment coexisting together is only good for the artist.
yeah.
Okay, so I as a person would want it very badly for theatres to come back
Come back.
and to do well, and people going to the theatre and enjoying some of the films collectively.
Yeah.
The community viewing cannot be replaced by OTT,
So, yeah, it
and
can't
that
be
OTT cannot be replaced by cinema viewing or theatre. These are all different, and they give they tickle your different senses,
Yeah.
and they are required. And if they are there, it's good for all the artists, for the writer, editor.
Apurv, how different is for you two when you are writing it for a web series versus when you're writing for a film?
So, I mean, there are different aspects to this. One is, let's come to this conversation that Manoj and you have been having about the importance of cinema halls.
Yeah.
While I agree completely, this whole community viewing experience is magic which cannot be replicated in OTT. I have to be very honest, the kind of films that I like to make or be part of are not respected very well in theatrical releases.
In the big cinema.
No, they're not. Like films like Shahid and Aligarh and so many of these films that I have.
Because they're critically more acclaimed rather than the commercial.
There is something about maybe the Indian audience or audiences generally across the world where I think the idea of coming to the cinema is purely now entertainment. Right? And while these films offer entertainment, that is not the sole focus of the films, right? There's a certain kind of an
They come with a
exploration.
different value
So
system.
if you're holding a mirror up to society, people don't want to do that sitting in front of everyone.
Right.
They're embarrassed. A lot of men I know were embarrassed to go see Aligarh in the theatres.
I know that. Yeah.
Very embarrassed. They saw it at home. They saw it on pirates. They saw it on downloads. But theatre में नहीं यार लोग समझेंगे मैं gay हूँ यार मैं नहीं जाऊँगा मैं थोड़ी हूँ gay. That kind
That's
of.
an apprehension that I think our society is just brought up with.
Yes, but we released
Forward.
with a very big mainstream producer, Eros. We got a very respectable theatrical release, and to be fair, for 3-4 weeks we had a presence in cinemas, but the numbers didn't add up.
Numbers
And so we are constantly hearing from people saying, "यार तुम्हारी film तो चलती नहीं है यार." Remove it so that Salman Khan's film can come in or Akshay Kumar's film can come in. Now on OTT,
Yeah.
okay, the game is very different.
Okay.
On OTT, the people that were struggling to get their due in cinemas are stars, the bigger stars than Salman Khan or Akshay Kumar on OTT.
Even I think acting wise. They have
That's
got
what he
much
said.
more
Na?
as a platform.
He said you have to know your acting chops. You have to know it. You can't. Your charisma is not going to get you on that. It's so in your face and so detailed. So I have a lot of respect for what's happening with OTT.
Right.
Theaters खुलनी चाहिए ऐसी फिल्में आनी चाहिए for sure, but I don't know if like Criminal Justice or maybe Family Man has a lot more entertainment value. I don't know if these would actually find that kind of
Place.
the way it's getting a response here. I don't know.